these YouTubers talking about coffee in the Black and Decker coffee machine. So I'm just gonna use this one. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So first thing you do is grab the basket, grab the coffee pot. Grab your coffee filter. It's a circle basket. And grab Timmy's coffee. Make the best part. So we're just going to do 4 of these scoops. 1. 2. 3, and 4 scoops. You take your coffee basket, place it where the coffee basket thing that is over here. You're shut the lid, put the thermos in. And here, turn the water on to cold water. Right there, that's it. You want to 6 cup line, you want to take the reservoir too, so you guys can see. Put the reservoir back on the coffee machine. What you do is that's my coffee, the timer you can set. That's my videos of